If you consider this footage your sort of thing, I highly recommend you to watch this video until the very end. Because together, we are going to take this light right here completely away and show you a whole new level of welding footage unlike you have ever seen before. Just like this. This is our latest product, Cavitar Welding Camera C300. Our compact welding camera comes with a built-in laser illumination and a 1.5 megapixel camera, as well as integrated water or air cooling capability. It is a robust package and designed for demanding welding environments. Cavitar Welding Camera C300 enables the clear visualization of welding processes up to 70 frames per second. You can observe the melt pool behavior, see the filler material inside the arc, perform real-time measurements, enhance employee safety and ergonomics, and much more. Cavitar Welding Camera C300 weighs only 300 grams. Its small size enables its easy integration and use even in the most challenging of environments. The setup of the Cavitar Welding Camera C300 is as simple as taking it out of the box, mounting it, connecting the cables, and starting recording. A true plug-and-play welding camera that saves your valuable time. To order the Cavitar Welding Camera C300 and see what you have missed in your welding process, please visit our website cavitar.com.